How to download Google Docs app. Hello guys, welcome back to Take It Simple channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Google Docs. Let's get started. So to use Google Docs in laptops and computer, we don't need to install. Just go to the browser and search docs.google.com website. There you can use it. But the Chrome browser has an option to create a Google Docs shortcut. We enter the following in the browser search bar: Chrome://apps and enter. Then in Google Docs, do right click and create shortcut. Here we get the options enables for desktop and start menu. Finally click on create. In the desktop, we will see that Google Docs icon has been created. When we click it, we will be redirected to the website to use this application. That's a wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye.